Okay, now let's reset the baby.
Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Bolifix. I'm working on this Baxi 400. We got an error code E0410. Now, according to manufacturer instructions, burner failed to ignite after 4 attempts. After 4 attempts, you'll get this code coming up. So basically, it's saying there's no ignition. So in this video, we're going to hopefully diagnose it and repair it. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
So it's attempting to fire up. I could hear the sparkies. I could hear the fire burner igniting, but it's not. The board's not receiving any signals. So hence why you can't see the burner light on it. So I think on this baby, that thing there is a fault. So you see it's fired up again, but no burner signal, and that's where we got. It's got the board. The board is firing up, but it's not sending any signal to the circuit board. Hence why it's going to a lockout. So we're going to be changing them babies there. Right, there's a spark generator. This is the main board on this baby.
Right guys, I'm back the next day. It's still flashing the same code. I've got the part with me which is an ignition electrode. Now this electrodes, right, they also ignition and detection, so they do both things. So I've got new ones, we're going to fit them in, that's these, and hopefully that will get the boiler up and running again.
Right, this is the baby we're going to change it to. So we're going to disconnect the wires. Right. Down. That's left. Okay. Let's put this baby in. Right. That's the old one. That's the new one. And don't forget the washer. Right, ready to put it in. So guys, I've changed that. This is what we're getting, error 0410, yeah? So we're gonna, that's related ignition. So let's press the reset button now. Right guys, after a reset, I've got the boiler fired up. Temperature's going up. And let's see if we've got hot water here. And we've got hot water. Okay. Right, to close the boiler back off, hook it at the top, that clips in, and then this baby just goes in. And he's got 2 screws at the bottom. We just tighten them. 1, 2. Okay. Right guys, that's in. The 2 screws are into. The boiler's nice and secure. Boiler's fired up. The temperature's going up on the central heating mode. Can you see the burner light there? And the burner light's on. Right guys, sorted this boiler out. The ignition electrodes were faulty on it. Look at them, they're in a bad state. Anyway, we sorted that out, it's all working fine. Now if you got a broken up boiler in Birmingham or South Birmingham, give us a call, we'll sort it out as quick as we can for you. Most of the repairs are done on the same day or the next day. So don't stop in call, give us a call. For now, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix.